Hey guys, welcome to Henry channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable Wi-Fi on laptop in Windows 10. So guys, there you can see there's no Wi-Fi option in my laptop. So I'm going to show you how you can fix this. Here we go, simply right click and open network settings. From here you can click on troubleshoot to find out your issue, or go to hardware and connection properties and check if your device supports Wi-Fi or not. So guys, there you can see my laptop supports Wi-Fi, but it's still not showing. So let's fix this. Simply go to adapter options, and guys, there you can see the Wi-Fi adapter is disabled. You just have to enable it and check your Wi-Fi settings again. There guys, you can see Wi-Fi is showing up now and successfully connected. So guys, that's how you can fix the Wi-Fi issue in Windows 10 on any laptop. So that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.